are going to learn a new topic, articles. Articles in English grammar. Fine. So what are articles? Articles are a, and, the. Okay. There are three articles, a, and, the. We have already learned a and an. We have used a and an. So today we are going to learn the last article, the. Let's have a quick recap about the uses of a and an. You can see here there are some examples: a boy, a girl, a car, a van. So when we use a, when the first letter of the word is a consonant, okay? When the first letter is consonant, we use a. Now here are some more examples: an apple, an owl, an umbrella, an orange. Okay? So why we have used an here? Because the first letter of these words are vowels. Okay? For example, apple. Apple, the first letter is vowel A. Second one is an owl. Third is an umbrella and orange. So, before the vowels we use an. Fine? This much is clear? Now let's see the use of the. The we use for plural forms. Okay? Plural noun, or when we are talking about the same thing twice. Okay? When we are talking about the same boy, for example, this is a boy. The boy is wearing red shirt. So here we will use the to indicate the same boy. I will give you some examples so that you can understand it. The most important thing you have to remember is a or an is used for singular noun. एक, okay, जो एक हो उसके लिए हम लोग यूज करते हैं a and an. The is always used for plural noun, more than one. Okay? For example, the men, the apples, the bananas. Okay? Now let's learn the use of article the. As you can see, here is an example written. This is an orange. This is an orange. The orange is tasty. So we are talking about the same orange for the second time. हाँ? This is an orange and इसी के बारे में हम लोग दूसरी बार बात कर रहे हैं. Then we will use the. We will not use here an. This is an orange and orange is tasty. ऐसे नहीं बोलेंगे. जब same orange के बारे में हम लोग दूसरी बार बात करेंगे, then we will say this is an orange. The orange is tasty. Let's see some more examples. This is a flower. The flower is pink in color. Okay, so we are talking about the same flower. This is a flower and the flower is pink in colors. That's why we have used the. We will use the when we are talking about the same thing the second time. Let's see one more example. This is a tree. The tree is very tall. So we are talking about the same tree, that this is a tree. The tree is tall. So we are using the. Okay? ये एक तरीके का यूज हुआ the का. When we are talking about the same noun for the second time, we use the. Now let's see the use of the in plural forms. Okay? For example, when we are talking about a single apple, we will write an apple. Okay? But when there are more than one apple, we will write apples, the plural form of apple. So here we will not write an, we will write the apples. Understood? जब एक एप्पल के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं we will use an, और जब एक से ज्यादा एप्पल्स हैं तो we will use the. Okay? One more example. A boy. A boy is single. यहाँ पे एक लड़के की बात हो रही है तो we will write a boy. But जब एक से ज्यादा लड़के हैं it will become boys. The plural form of boy. Then what we will write? Yes, we will write the boys. We will not write a boys. We will write the boys because we are talking about so many boys, more than one boys, more than one boy. Okay. So let's see some more example. A flower. The flowers. Then what else? An umbrella. The umbrellas. Got it? You just have to remember one thing, that a and is used for singular noun. जब हम लोग एक सिंगुलर नाउन की बात कर रहे हैं, एक नाउन की बात कर रहे हैं, we will use a or an. A when the noun is, when the first letter of the word is consonant, and an when the first letter of the word is vowel. Good. Now the is used for plural nouns and it's also used when we are talking about the same thing the second time. Got it? the हम लोग कब यूज करते हैं? जब प्लूरल नाउन हो, एक से ज्यादा लोगों के बारे में बात करें या चीजों के बारे में, या फिर जिसके बारे में हम लोग पहले बात कर चुके हैं उसके बारे में दूसरी बार बात कर रहे हैं तो हम लोग द यूज करेंगे. गॉट इट? इसको एक बार प्रैक्टिस करना घर पे और फिर हम लोग मिलते हैं नए वीडियो के साथ. बाय.